if you're looking to increase money, wealth, and grow your wealth and have that energy of wealth in your life, a beautiful feng shui remedy that you can do is to get a jar, okay, that looks like a wealth jar. I'm going to teach you how to actually make this wealth jar yourself. So you're going to get a Matika wealth jar pot, and that's because it signifies earth, and you're going to paint it purple. All right, or you can even put some kind of a purple cloth on it, but it's better to paint it purple. What you're going to add in this is, and you need to keep it in a specific place in your house, okay, and I'm going to tell you at the end where you're going to keep this. You need to put different currencies in this, okay, 9 different currencies. So you're going to put coins of different currencies, which is your own currency. If you're an Indian, then you need to put rupees, and you can put a dollar. You can make sure that you put only appreciating currencies and not depreciating currencies, a very important fact. Okay, get one note or coin from a wealthy person. If you know someone really wealthy, ask them for a coin or a note from their wallet. It carries the prosperity energy of theirs. So you're going to get that. You're going to put soil from a wealthy person's house. Now this is going to be a little difficult to do, but you can try. You can attempt it. And the third thing that you want to put in that is crystals that are symbolic of wealth. You need to put citrine, you need to put carnelian, you can put real gold in it, you can put a silver coin in it. Make sure that you put a lot of feng shui wealth trinklets in it. What are the wealth trinklets? You can put an emperor coin, you can put a feng shui coin, you can put an ingot, you can put a dragon, you can put the wealth frog, put whatever, put a rui, put all of the feng shui trinklets, tiny little trinklets. Make sure you also put a tiny little wooloo in it, and tie this up, okay, with a cloth. Tie this up. Make sure that you energize this. If you don't know how to energize it, in the next video I'm going to teach you how to energize this wealth jar or wealth pot, and you keep it in the southeast of your house, because that is symbolic. That's your wealth sector. Keep it in the southeast of your house. Now, if you have a bathroom or you have a kitchen there, do send me a message and I'll tell you how to fix that.